Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable datasaver in Snapchat. So first, to be able to do that, you have to tap on the Bitmoji icon or your emoji icon on your Snapchat. Once you tap on it, then you should have something like this. Then you tap on the gear button, then you scroll down a little, keep scrolling, then you tap on datasaver. Then right here you turn it on, and this actually helps you. Okay, good. Once you tap on it, another option, you have to tap on this, which is until turn off. If you tap on 3 days, that means 3 days of Snapchat saving your data. Or if you change it 1 week, that means 1 week of Snapchat saving your data. Then if you tap on until turn off, that means the data saving option is going to be turned on your Snapchat until you can eventually turn it off by yourself. So once you turn it on, this will actually reduce the Snapchat mobile data usage on your phone and to help you maximize your loading content like lens and snaps in Snap Pro. So that's it. Find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.